In the world of HVAC technology, precision is paramount. For over 25 years, our trusted 10 kilo ohm potentiometers from the MTP X10K NA series have lied at the heart of a multitude of our AC and EC fan solutions. Drawing on all of those years of experience, we realized it's time to update the MTP X10K NA to better meet the demands of an ever-evolving industry. We at Centera are happy to introduce to you the new SDP X10K NA potentiometer line. Harnessing the latest advancements in electronics, these models redefine excellence and reliability. We've kept everything that worked great in the SDP X10K NA predecessor. The off position of the knob that clicks into place, leaving the dry contact output open so you can be sure the output is 0 kiloohms. The simple and easy installation thanks to the inset or surface mounting enclosure. We've improved upon the previous model line by doubling the voltage range from 0 to 12 volts to 0 to 24 volts and improving the control algorithm. The screw terminals from the MTP X10K NA line have been swapped for spring terminals, giving you an easier and faster installation time. All of this is housed in a sleek new box that can be easily cleaned with just a damp cloth. It gives you access to 2 mounting options, making it suitable for both surface and recessed mounting, which are also compatible with European recessed mount wall boxes. The mounting protection is rated at IP44 for recessed installation and IP54 for wall installation. The new SDP X10K NA potentiometer enables the easy remote regulation of fans with AC and EC motors, Triac electronic regulators for single-phase 230 VAC and 3-phase 400 VAC fans from the EVS, EVSS, MVS and TVSS series, single-phase 230 VAC and 3-phase 230 or 400 VAC frequency inverters. Experience precision like never before with the new SDP X10K NA potentiometer from Centera. From its expanded voltage range to its seamless installation and versatile applications, is the perfect solution for your HVAC control needs. For additional information regarding this product and other outstanding HVAC solutions, please visit us at centera.eu.